Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to blur moving objects. So let's get started. So here we are in Premiere Pro, and from here what we're gonna do is we're gonna blur the face of this man right here, since this is a moving subject right here. So we'll be blurring that out. So to do that, we need to go into effects and go for Gaussian blur, and we're gonna apply it here into our footage just like so. And then from here, we're gonna go into Gaussian blur, and we're gonna set the blurriness into 50 or whatever you'd like. But in my case, I'll just go for 50, and then after that, I'm gonna go for this one to create an ellipse mask. I'm gonna click on this one, and now I have a mask right here, and I'm gonna go and put this into the person right here, into the face right there. So I'm just gonna resize this just like so, right there, so that it would fit his whole face in right there. And I'm just gonna make it like this one. I think this one is enough. So yeah, now that it's fit, what I want to do is I'm gonna move my playhead to where I would want it to start blurring the object or the face right here. So I'm just gonna reposition this again. So I'm just gonna go start in the beginning, and now I would like it to automatically track the person's face. So to do that, I'm gonna go into Effect Controls and go into Gaussian Blur, and I'm gonna click on this button right here on the mask path. So click on that, and now it's tracking right here by itself, so that you won't have to do any of the work. And take note that this tracking might not work very well if you are tracking an animal or maybe some objects right here, but it works best with the faces of humans right here, or maybe some objects like a ball. But in animals, it doesn't work so well in my opinion. But in that case, you can just manually and reposition your blur right here, so you can just track it manually. But the only great thing about this one is that this one is automatic right here, so this would be the result of that one. And now I can go and play it, and now as you can see, it's getting blurred right here. It's tracking the face, and now I can blur it even more so that you can see right there, it's more evident now. So as you can see, it's tracking the face really well. So that is how you do it. And then if you find some part of the video or tracking is not really good, or it is becoming off track, then you can just go to at the point that you think is wrong, then you can just adjust them manually right here, and then you can just click on the mask right here, and then you can just reposition it just like so. And yeah, that is basically how you can do it, on how you can blur moving objects here in Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe, because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.